In this video, we will show you how to install the VCR for ODI connector for ODI 11 on Windows. The VCR for ODI connector is one of the three components used by the LCM for ODI solution. It is the link between ODI, your development environment, and Subversion, the version control repository. It allows you to version packages, mappings, interfaces, models, and other components. Later on, you can restore them back from the VCR into ODI. Before starting the installation procedure, we recommend you to collect the following information: the location of the ODI Home and Oracle Home directories. Next, for the connection with the ODI repository, you will need the name and password of the ODI user and the schema name and password for the master repository. You will also need the class name of the JDBC driver, the URL for the master repository, and the name of the work repository. To connect to Subversion, you will need the URL of the Subversion repository, the username and password of the Subversion user, and the path to your local working copy. Also important to know is that in order to run the VCR for ODI connector, ODI Studio, the client version of ODI, must be installed on the same workstation as the VCR for ODI client. The installation process consists of a few short steps. First, you need to extract the zip file and specify the value of the ODI Home and Oracle Home parameters in the execution file, and next you create a profile specifying the different parameters to establish the connection with ODI and Subversion. Start the application and you're ready to go. In this video, we will show you how to execute the installation on Windows 8.1 for ODI version 11. Let's start by extracting the zip file. Next, open the extracted folder and go to the config folder. This folder contains the configuration file where you need to specify the ODI Home and Oracle Home directories. Open the setenv.bat file using a text editor and specify the ODI and Oracle Home directory on lines 36 and 37. Save and close the file. Now you can start the VCR for ODI connector. To do so, go to the bin folder inside the client folder and execute the VCR for ODI.bat file. The VCR for ODI logon window will be displayed. The first thing you need to do is to create a profile. Specify the different parameters for establishing the connection with ODI and Subversion. Click the green cross to add a new profile and display the configuration details window. In the first section of this window, you enter the name of the new profile. Enter the username and password to connect to ODI. In the database connection panel, you enter the correct schema name and password of the master repository, the class name of the JDBC driver which is used to connect to the ODI repository, and the URL path of the master repository. Next, you specify the name of the ODI work repository you want to connect to. And finally, you need to specify the parameters for the connection with Subversion: the repository URL, the user ID and password, and the working copy location. When all that's done, you can test the connection before starting the application. If the test is successful, click the OK button and the new profile will be created. Next, click the Start button to launch the VCR for ODI connector. The second component of our LCM for ODI solution is now installed. Next, you should continue with the configuration of Icon ALM to set up the lifecycles, levels and environments, and to establish the connection with Subversion. For more information on our company and products, we invite you to visit our website. Thank you for watching.